everyone! Welcome back to Mindset to Success. If you've been following along, we've been testing business ideas to see what works and what doesn't. But now, it's time for the next step. Structuring those ideas into a clear plan using the Lean Canvas. The Lean Canvas is a simple one-page business model that helps you clarify your idea, identify key challenges, and set a clear strategy, all without writing a long, complicated business plan. So, in today's episode, we'll cover what Lean Canvas is, why it's so useful for startups, how to use it step by step, and how it helps you launch your business successfully. Let's dive in. What is the Lean Canvas? The Lean Canvas was created by Ash Maurya, inspired by the business model canvas. It's specifically designed for entrepreneurs and startups to quickly organize and refine their business ideas. Unlike traditional business plans, which can take weeks to write, the Lean Canvas helps you get your ideas down on paper fast so you can focus on execution. It's like a blueprint for your business, showing you the 9 most important factors you need to consider before launching. Why is Lean Canvas important? Many startups fail because they don't have a clear plan. They focus on the product but forget about the business model. The Lean Canvas helps you. Avoid common startup mistakes. Identify risks before they become problems. Stay focused on what really matters. Instead of wasting time writing a long plan, you can fill out the Lean Canvas in an hour and start taking action immediately. How to use Lean Canvas. The Lean Canvas is divided into 9 sections. Let's go through them one by one. 1 problem. What's the biggest problem your target audience faces? List 3 key pain points. 2 customer segments. Who are your ideal customers? Be specific. 3 unique value proposition, UVP. What makes your business different? Why should people choose you? 4 solution. How does your product or service solve the problem? 5 channels. How will you reach your audience? Social media? Ads? Partnerships? 6 revenue streams. How will you make money? One-time sales? Subscriptions? 7 cost structure. What are the main costs to run your business? 8 key metrics. How will you measure success? Sales, engagement, conversions, etc. 9 unfair advantage. What do you have that competitors can't copy? By filling this out, you'll clarify your business idea and make it actionable. How Lean Canvas helps you start a business. Quick and simple. Unlike a long business plan, the Lean Canvas helps you get started fast. Clear focus. It forces you to prioritize the most important aspects of your business. Easy to adapt. If your idea isn't working, you can pivot quickly. Great for pitching. Investors and mentors love clear, structured plans, and the Lean Canvas delivers that in 1 page. This tool makes sure you're building a business that actually works instead of just guessing. Now you know how to use the Lean Canvas to structure your business idea. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode. Also, let me know in the comments, what business idea are you working on? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next episode of Mindset to Success. Blast off.